umalis na lang dito. Limutan ng lahat, lumipad, lumayo. Magkasama ka, kapatid, kaibigan, hanggat ako'y umiingat, may pag-asa pa.
Oh, man.
Hello, pretty girl.
Hi.
Anong name mo?
I'm Moira.
Ilang taon ka na, Moira?
19 po.
19. Ako, very young.
Oh, man.
Aside from singing, ano pa ang hilig mong gawin?
I'm a voice talent.
Voice talent, dito ba yung sa mga cartoon, sa mga animation?
Sa mga jingle po.
Sa mga jingle?
Commercial jingles.
Sample
Sample
naman. Sige, sample.
Started right. Everything's gonna be alright. Wait for today.
Wow. Kaya pala may conflict sa amin. Naintindihan ko na. Moira! Yung style mo kung paano mo binali, yung kanta ni Bamboo na napakaangas. Sinimulan mo na para kang anghel na bumababa. Hallelujah.
Congratulations on making the show with Team Apple. And thank you for playing that song. Maraming salamat. It's a hard feeling, you know, when you hear your song, and it's tough. It's really tough. Thanks, bud. Thank you for doing that, man. All right, so congratulations.
Moira, that performance was like boom, boom, pow!
All right.
And I'm a big fan of people that play instrument and sing at the same time. Ang galing, ang galing. I love your look, your style. Alam mo ba yung Apple song? No?
Mga kaibigan.
Lapit mga kaibigan.
Makinig kayo.
Ako'y may dala-dalang balita galing sa bayan ko. Nais kong ipamahagi ang mga kwento, ang mga pangyayaring nagaganap sa lupang pinangako. And I promise that we're going to make this really fun and it's going to be a great experience. So, welcome to my team.
Congratulations.
You're welcome.
Wow.